Hey everybody, welcome to our quick talk and cardio day. Again, make sure if you guys haven't turned in things for the past 2 days that you get that done so that you can head into this weekend feeling good. All right. For today, we're doing a quick talk on flexibility. Then you're going to have a choice of which cardio workout you want to do. Okay, so for flexibility, something that is kind of overlooked. Sometimes we do it at the beginning of a workout, sometimes at the end, but why is it important? All right, well, it improves mobility, your posture, your muscle coordination. It reduces the risk of injury and muscle soreness. Okay, so a lot of times you see people do this at the end of a workout, which is great, trying to cool down those muscles. You hear some people do it in the mornings just to try to loosen up, which is also great. I really don't think there's a bad time to try to improve your flexibility, but here are a few ways that you can or why you should. So you need to have a routine. So you can't just wake up one day and stretch your right hamstring and then stretch your left hamstring 3 days later and think that you're going to be more flexible. Okay, so there needs to be a routine and focus on being gentle. Okay, so gentle at first, especially around your low back, your hips, your neck. You don't want to push it too hard at the beginning. Okay, this is going to be a gradual thing over time. Obviously, you have a bunch of muscles in your body, so you can really stretch anything, but listen to your own body, listen to the type of workouts you're doing and what your body needs and what you need to loosen up. Okay, and at the end of the day, it's all about practice, right? So, like anything, you need to have patience and practice. So, you can't just stretch for 3 days and expect to be more flexible. All right, if there's something that's important to you, you need to really put in the time to see those results. All right, for the workout today, there are 4 options. Okay, you're going to choose one of them. So option 1 here is going to be run, walk, intervals. So you need a timer and you're going to walk for 1 minute. And then you're going to jog for 2 minutes. And you're going to do an all-out sprint for 1 minute. And then you're going to repeat that 6 times. So after you're done sprinting for that 1 minute, you're going to start again with your 1 minute walk. Okay, 2 minute jog, 1 minute all-out sprint. Back to the top 6 times. That'll take you 24 minutes. Option 2, it's just going to be a 24-minute consistent jog. Okay, pick a pace that you can go the whole time. You can go inside, you can go outside, you can run inside at a steady pace, up to you. Option 3 is going to be the stairs. So if you have a full staircase, you can run all the way up and all the way back down. If you just have one step, you can just go up, down, that one step. Okay, right, or right, left. Okay, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, you're going to do it for 1 minute and you're going to rest for 30 seconds. You're going to do that for 13 rounds. That will take you about 20 minutes. And then your last option here is your high intensity interval training cardio version. All right, so you're going to do 1 minute of jump squats, which by now we should know. Okay, we're going to squat down and jump all the way up. 1 minute of burpees, which you should know. You can choose if you would like to do a push-up or not. And then 1 minute of mountain climbers, which you should know as well. After you're done with those 3 minutes of work, you're going to rest for a minute. You're going to do that 5 times. Okay, after you've picked one of these and completed it, you're going to do your exit ticket for today. In today's exit ticket, I believe there are 4 questions, and you're going to need to elaborate on most of them. So make sure you guys are giving insightful answers, and we'll see you tomorrow.